guys, so tonight I'm going to be starting with my green pepper, onion, and tomato. I'm going to make a little pan of lasagna, and it's going to be very little because my sister doesn't like cheese and my mom doesn't eat meat, so it's just going to be for me. And my grandmother, she does. This is something I could take to work tomorrow and also eat it tonight. So, here we go. Noodles, and this is where the magic's gonna happen, but these are all the main stars. I couldn't show it in the last post, but it's time. Let's get it going. Now what I did was add a little bit of vegetable oil, and now I'm gonna add some onions and my green peppers and some garlic, and wait until they get like sweltering. I'm gonna add my ground beef to that. Let's give this a nice swirl. Oh, my plastic spoon. Okay, we'll just use this for now. Just don't scrape the bottom too crazy. I'm just going to let this get nice and brown, and then I'm going to add my turkey. So while these things are cooking, I'm also going to add some dry seasoning to it. This is some basil. And here's some garlic powder. More garlic. You know I love garlic. Onion powder. Adobo. And some black pepper. Still my basic season. Can't go nowhere without them. I'm just going to give it a nice good the way I like it. Now it's time to add the meat. Well, my turkey. I don't know why I keep saying ground turkey. I guess because I'm so used to that. But I feel like having some turkey. Well, my friend says, you need to make things more healthier. So this is healthy. I'm adding, of course. And we have to hurry up before Game of Thrones. So now that I've added all the seasoning, I'm just going to brown this up. And we'll be back to see the next step. Oh, and my noodles is happy over here. They're boiling. I want them al dente because they're going to cook more in the oven. And we have to hurry up before Game of Thrones. So the steam is trying to come for me. But as you can see, the ground turkey is already, done. Because ground turkey never gets like brown like ground beef. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And give this a mix. Okay, so as you can see here, I got the tomatoes really chopped up in there good. And I mean, I'm already going to add tomato sauce with chunks in it. So why not use my own fresh tomatoes and make it more saucy? So now it's time for my sauce. So now I'm going to add the regular tomato and basil sauce. And I'm going to give that a stir, and then I'm going to add the other sauce. So it's like, okay, now that that has come together, we're going to put some tomato paste in there. Get in the camera, man. Okay, well, it landed over there. But, okay, now I added my last pile of tomato sauce. And give this one more stir, and then we'll put it together. The end. Okay, so it's all done. So now I'm going to layer it and pop it in. We'll see the after. So now that I put all those cheeses in there, I'm just going to top a little bit more with Parmesan. I mean, you can never tell what cheese I'm using because they're all white. And I mixed them, so